Hi everyone, this is Jasper from SeaMac. In this video, I will introduce Mitsubishi S16R2 series marine engine. Mitsubishi S16R2 series marine engine is a V16 engine with 79.9 liter displacement. The overall dimensions of Mitsubishi S16R2 series marine engine is about 2,946 mm by 1,525 mm by 2,029 mm, and the net weight is 7,810 kg. Mitsubishi S16R2 series marine engine comes with Mitsubishi high-pressure fuel system and equipped with turbocharger and air-cooler. And the emission standard can reach up to IMO Tier II. The power range covers from 1,450 kW to 1,885 kW, with rated speed from 1,350 RPM to 1,500 RPM. There are 3 types of power ratings, including B, C, D rating for customers to choose from to apply for different types of boat and different working conditions. The standard Mitsubishi S16R2 series marine engine comes with following accessories: fuel pump, fuel filter, turbocharger, oil filter, starter motor,
committed to providing premium propulsion system and power system for all kinds of ship all around the world. SeaMac is a sub-brand of eMac that focusing on maritime application. SeaMac's ranges of products are Marine main engine, cover power range from 50 horsepower to 5,000 horsepower. Advanced gearbox. Marine propellers. Electric control lever system, marine generator set and marine auxiliary engines, all kinds of other marine accessories. All SeaMac's products are approved by CCS, and some of our products able to provide BV, LR, ABS, DNV and GL, RS and other classification societies.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact SeaMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.seamac.com.